Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Brooklyn08 and I collect Pandora, troll beads, and a few ohm beads. This video features the Trollbeads Dreams of Freedom Kit, which is a colorful and playful mix of beads designed by Gail Crossman Moore, who also designed the Native Elements Kit. After I show the beads in the kit, I'll share my design ideas for 2 bracelets using the kit as well as a few other beads in my collection. Before I begin, here's my bracelet of the day. It features 2 labradorites, 2 of the smooth, smaller goldstone beads, 2 forest glam beads from the Forest Life kit. The silver beads are on top beads. There are 2 of those as well. And in the center is the larger faceted goldstone bead. I love the way the goldstones glitter. And of course, I love the flash of that labradorite. Now, let's take a look at the kit. The first bead is the Stamen of Life. It has thin blue stripes, and at the side here are raised bumps. And they are reddish orange with blue at the center. The next bead is the Dream Away bead, which is a beautiful deep blue at the center with these light blue pod-like protrusions. It's a fun and textured bead. The third bead is the Spiritual Cone bead, and it's triangular. I like the mix of green, blue, orange, and yellow. And I like that it's a different shape. The fourth bead is Unbreakable Ties. And it has metallic dots. Here you see. On a bead that is yellow and this sort of reddish orange. Although if you look at it from the side, it's quite different, right? Great beads. The fifth bead is called Flaming Meditation, and it also has a different shape. And the colors again are blue, a little bit of yellow, and a reddish orange. And the last bead is called Hopeful Poppies. And it has these same reddish orange bumps on a yellow and a greenish blue bead. So here are the beads in the kit. This is retired now, so it's difficult to find all of the beads, but if you see them anywhere individually, I would definitely say get them. Very nicely done. Okay, so the bracelets I plan to design will use these 3 for bracelet number 1 and these 3 for bracelet number 2. And I will begin with a smooth bangle, a copper spacer. That yellow bead is Honey Dawn, and the silver bead is Lotus Top. So the first bead I will add is the Hopeful Poppies bead. Next, I will use this Flaming Meditation bead, followed by this Unbreakable Ties bead, and another Lotus Top bead. You can see the hallmark right there. And another Honey Dawn bead. And one more copper spacer. And here is bracelet number 1. I love that combination of colors. It's a fun kit with lots of wonderful, vibrant beads. Next, for bracelet number 2, I will begin with a Vision of Light silver bead, and of course that stopper. And the first bead I will put on is this Spiritual Cone bead, followed by the Dream Away bead. Next is a silver bead called Trefoil Knot, and it's a hefty silver bead. Nicely done. After that, I will put the last bead here, which is the Stamen of Life. Follow it with another Vision of Light bead. Let's see that up close. And a spacer. And this is the finished bracelet. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, everybody. Bye.